when you are a university student, you know that the economy is impacted, the labor supply has changed, and of course, there has been lots of changes in the various industries and sectors. So as a student, you have to be very mindful about what you are going to do after you graduate. And this is a challenging time because you have to ensure that you take the right decision and you apply to the right places. You may have seen that there have been lots of changes in the career of many professionals, like people who have been involved in the airlines industries. They have changed their careers sometimes. Hotel industries, they have changed their careers. So there is a need for upgrading your skills. So that's the right thing to do. And if you know that you are a good learner, you have to choose the right skill set. One of the things, or one of the major areas where there have been lots of interest or lots of demand is the IT sector at the moment. You know that in the post-COVID world, the internet communication has been a very popular mode of communication. If you know about the Zoom meetings, if you know about the other applications which we are using for communications, you know that being an IT specialist may help. So those are some of the areas where you can think of developing your career. If you are studying business, for example, there have been areas like health economics or even energy economics, because you know that oil prices are rising. And if you are a student of management, you have to know how to manage those things, right? So without thinking about what your general interest, then you can align your career accordingly. That would be the right way to choose a career that will be rewarding and that will give you good return over a longer time frame. So in the post-COVID world, one of the challenges that the economies are facing is, if you know that there have been high price rise, high rates of inflation around the world. At the same time, you can see that the employment demand is high, job demands are high. In most developed countries nowadays, including the US and Australia and Canada, anyone who is looking for a job can get a job. So there have been high inflation, but at the same time, there have been high employment. So this is the time to really recover and re-energize yourselves and choose the right career. Thank you.